today's webinar on Microsoft Dynamics CRM, a better way to know your customers and grow your business. My name is Neha and I'm your moderator for today. As part of the panel of speakers for today, we have Mr. Manan Thakur, who is a solutions architect with Indusa. Manan's expertise lies in enterprise consulting and solution design for Microsoft Dynamics CRM to position Indusa services in leading enterprises. Indusa is a firm based in Chicago with offices in India, both Ahmedabad and Pune, as well as the UK, which assists organizations across the globe to grow and evolve through world-class services, people and technology. Since most of you are here, let's get started with the presentation. I will now hand over the webinar to Manan, who will take you through the presentation. You can also follow the conversation online via Twitter at Indusa IT Solve as mentioned on the screen. Feel free to post questions at any time in the question and answer box and we will respond at the end of the webinar.
Thanks Neha. Good afternoon everybody. In next 45 minutes or so of this webinar, you will learn about customer relationship management, which is often known as CRM. We'll also discuss how it can help you in identifying and act on customer opportunities, put your data to work, and ultimately improve the customer experience. In today's world, the customer relationship management software has become an essential tool for companies seeking to gain competitive advantage and grow their businesses to higher levels. It also helps to reduce cost, increase the profitability by organizing and automating business processes that nurture the customer satisfaction along with loyalty in the marketing, sales and customer services area. During this webinar, you will have a quick overview on CRM. Why do companies need CRM? What are the features and benefits of CRM? How you can run your business from anywhere by means of it, business case related to the CRM, and finally about the successful CRM implementation and what will be the next step to do that. The session will be concluded with a live question and answer session. I hope by the end of this webinar you'll be able to figure out that the right CRM software for you is what, which can help you to build deeper, more meaningful relationship with your customers while you build and scale your business. Let's move forward and understand what is exactly the CRM. We'll have a quick overview of CRM. So CRM is basically a system that allows companies to manage business relationship and the data and information associated with them. Now with CRM, you can store customer information, details like accounts and leads along with sales opportunity in just a single central platform. And that platform is accessible by everybody within the organization who are responsible for the sales and services. And all this information is available to them in real time. Now CRM system serves as a vital nerve center to manage the many connections that happen in a growing business. With powerful and easy to use functionality in marketing, sales and customer service, the CRM allows businesses to generate prospect, close sales and maintain the customer relationship. Now, since we understand what is CRM, let's look at why do companies need CRM. This is another kind of question that comes up in a mind when we think of CRM system for our organization. So a CRM system can be used to manage your business relationship and achieve client value by import and integrating your customers' data. The next use is profile and segmentation of your customers by many and varied criteria. So you can basically filter out customers on a different perspective. You can also help, the CRM can help you to focus on your marketing and concentrating on your prospect needs and concerns, thereby designing and deploying tailored campaigns. The next is maximizing your business opportunities by effectively recording and managing them. Increase the sales by implementing the proven adaptable sales methodology. Drive success by delivering the right content at the right time and to the right people in the sales role. Now, we all know that why CRM is required. Now let's understand who actually can use the CRM. So when it comes to usage, the CRM can prove to be a valuable asset to sales, marketing, customer service, and in recent world, it is also useful for the social engagement divisions. Sales representative, sales managers, and sales personnel on the go can use the CRM for sales activities. The customer service agents can definitely utilize this for customer service manager and customer service representative for their customer service related activities. Company's brand manager, campaign manager, marketing representative can also use CRM for their marketing related activities. And all these people who are associated in the organization for social engagement of the users can also get best out of the CRM software for the social media. Now, since we already progressed further, let's understand and have a quick poll here to see what you think the CRM could be a best fit for you, and is it a CRM for sales, for marketing, for your customer service department, or for your social engagement users, or you would think that whether it's required for all the departments within your organization. Let's wait for a few more seconds. I think most of you have already answered. Let's wait for another second or so. The result looks quite interesting so far. I think the majority of you feel that all these features are required for your organization. Though the customer service is next to that more than 30% people feel that customer service is quite important area for them, followed by sales and marketing, which is always there. Any company related to direct sales will require a sales and marketing module, because they will have to engage to all their sales leads and all. So I think we can close this poll now. And let's move further and understand why Microsoft Dynamics CRM is required. The Microsoft CRM is clearly the right choice for your customers' business needs. Here are just some of the several reasons why Microsoft CRM is a success in the industry. You have a choice to implement either the on-premise version or CRM online version. These are basically two different offerings coming from Microsoft side. One is that you can install within your data center, and another is the online version, which is more from available through the cloud. The on-premise version will run the solution on your own server and hardware rather than in the cloud. The trend we are seeing in the market is that the online is default choice for most of the organization, which will only be ruled out if there are specific non-functional requirements which prevent the adoption of cloud solution. Microsoft has data centers across the world and supports a robust physical network and attains a strict data security. Companies need CRM primarily to understand the customers and make meaningful connection to build a long-term relationship. They also need it for implementing a technology which reduces the cost. They'll also get the benefits of productive mobile team that can work together whenever there is a need. And last but not least, they can keep the critical data protected to be prepared for the unexpected disaster. Now, what is exactly Microsoft Dynamics CRM is? In next few slides, you will learn about out-of-the-box features that are coming from Microsoft Dynamics CRM. It's basically a customer relationship management business solution that drives the sales productivity, marketing effectiveness through social insights, business intelligence, and campaign management in the cloud, on-premises, or with a hybrid combination. As discussed in the previous slides about who should use CRM, we discussed about marketing, sales, and customer service divisions. The features and coverage areas associated with Dynamics CRM involved these divisions. Now let's deep dive into individual part of this. We'll focus first on what is sales. With Microsoft Dynamics CRM, your sales representatives reduce cost and focus on the most impactful activities. With the CRM for sales, you can actually access your sales office wherever and whenever you need, and that is possible through the online connectivity on web as well as on mobile. You can manage your accounts by following the best practices, give your sales team unprecedented social data for lead generation and relationship management, carry out the collaborative selling by making your sales professionals to effectively work across teams, geographies, and work groups. With ready sales analytics, analyze and get immediate insights across all your data with the self-service BI. Next on the cards that we have is Dynamics CRM for marketing. Now, marketing is changing faster than ever before. With Dynamics marketing feature available in Microsoft Dynamics CRM, you can easily engage your customers with personalized and multi-channel campaigns, generate more sales-ready leads with advanced segmentation and lead scoring. You can plan and manage your budget, collaborate with your team and agencies, and manage your content online. You can also gain visibility on strategic initiatives on social media and empower your marketers with access to sales and marketing data through visual dashboards. The most important part, as indicated by majority of you, that service is quite important for you. So what exactly is Dynamics service offering here? Social and mobile have transformed customers' service expectations these days. Customers expect quality, personalized service on their team across the web, social, mobile, along with mobile phones. Now with Microsoft Dynamics CRM, you can offer service anytime, anywhere by enabling customer service engagement across web, social, chat, mobile, over the phone, including the customer self-service portal and social care. It also provides agents with a single unified experience to easily deliver fast and amazing customer service. You can stay on top of your cases from your desktop or mobile. You can get connected with the right person with the right knowledge base at the right time. You can deliver customer service on social channels. Now let's understand what is the social quotient of this Dynamics CRM product. In today's social and mobile world, businesses need to move faster and share knowledge more broadly than ever before. You need to connect to customers on their teams, which increasingly mean that getting onto social is quite important. Microsoft Dynamics CRM empowers your sales, services, and marketing teams with the social tools to build right into the Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So you don't have to log into Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn or Yammer or any such kind of social tools. You can directly get all the insight of how people are reacting on social media about your product, what they are discussing, if anybody has reported any issue on social media. Everything you can get it right on your Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So under a single platform, you get all the features of social available under one roof. So Microsoft Dynamics CRM, those who are expert believe that it can help you to do business anywhere. And how that can help you is the CRM Online not only gets you the information just when you need it, it also helps you to connect with your team and your files so that you can have everything updated before your meeting starts. Sales team and many service teams don't have the luxury of working from a desk most of the time, and Dynamics CRM Online helps to keep them productive anywhere, anytime. It also works across devices and platforms to provide a consistent user experience as your employees leave the office to go out on the sales calls. They get the full experience no matter where they are. Now let's look into details about the business cases. Let me take you through the real life business cases that we have come across. First that we have is the leading manufacturing of the office and industrial products was looking for a solution that automates the sales process and improve the services. Out of the 14 divisions, several decisions were using an 8-year-old CRM solutions that had outlived its utility and lacked the features available in the newer versions of CRM applications. such as the integration with multiple devices and mobile usage. Now the client implemented this Microsoft Dynamics CRM solutions on premise, which was also integrated with other third-party applications which they were using. One of the key application was the ERP that they were using. And they had configured sales, marketing, service modules according to the requirements of each division, as well as the mobile feature for all their sales representatives. Now the Dynamics CRM implementation helped them to derive complete visibility of institutional inquiries at various stages and ensure the timely completion of customer orders, which increased their sales by 90% with a substantial improvement in outstanding collections. Next business case that we have is it's more from a large-scale real estate agency. The sales and services along with marketing and interaction with customer was not optimized with the existing company's CRM solution. Also, the manual entry and merging of the data and other such tasks choked the employee bandwidth while reducing the efficiency and other compromising accuracy. The client chose Microsoft Dynamics CRM over other solution as it represents a robust platform, wide coverage, better collaboration, and quick integration with the backend ERP system. The solution was customized by 25% to meet the functional and operational requirements of the company. Here you can see that there are a lot of features comes out of the box of the system, but you don't have to abide by only those features which are coming out of the box. There is always a room for customization to tailor-make the solution as per your needs. The solution after the customization has helped company to reduce overheads for multiple later generation for properties, tracks the accuracy of all payments received and dues from or by the customers. With Dynamics CRM, the response time to customers' queries reduced from 1 day to immediate action via the automated responses. The next business case that we have is involving the client who is one of the largest public accounting and consulting firm in United States. This client wanted to upgrade the Dynamics CRM from 4.0 to 2011 on-premise. Indusa followed the upgrade process by installing the Dynamics CRM 2011 on-premise environment and imported the backup copy of CRM 4.0 database, thus upgrading the existing database. The code was reviewed, assessed, keeping in view the future of CRM API releases. The impact and effort involved was also shared with the client, and all modifications were suitably documented with a before and after log so that a client member could replicate all the steps and changes that are there at on-site. The CRM implementation offered a seamless user experience, providing a comprehensive solution to manage its customer, track the leads, and exploit the opportunities. Now, since we have discussed about the real-life cases of CRM, while we are talking about the implementation, I'm curious to see your stage in implementing the CRM system. Let's have a quick poll and you can give a feedback on that. So you can let me know in which stage of your CRM implementation you are right now. So poll is there in front of your screen. So you can choose out of the 5 options presented. Let's wait for a few more seconds. 95% people have already answered, and according to them, where they are evaluating the features and benefits of CRM, more than 25% people are not using the CRM system. So that's quite interesting. I think you guys have a good place to learn that why CRM would be beneficial to your system. You can evaluate the CRM system, its benefits and offerings, but that will be really helpful if you can go with the CRM. So I think we can close this poll now. And as we see that majority of the people are interested in learning about the features and offerings that are available from Dynamics CRM. Let's move further into the presentation and maybe the final part of our webinar today. So we will discuss in brief about the CRM implementation and how you can get it implemented at your end. There are some vital things to be considered while implementing the CRM system. The first step is to identify why your organization needs a CRM system. This can be done by identifying which areas you want to improve or which problems need to be addressed. Next, what we have is to research the many vendors in CRM bracket to find one that will be a good fit for your organization, considering the factors such as the strength of the vendor's product, CRM vendor's expertise, knowledge level of the vendor's employees, etc. The next step is to know that the system's benefit calculation as it benchmarks the success of your customer strategy and validate the importance of the system. Once you have identified all these things, then you can be sure that to discuss all of your expectation with your CRM chosen partner, so you can both work to meet your budget. And lastly, the implementation of CRM system with a trickle down approach as a support for the project must come from the top level of the management. Once you are through with all the steps, that will result into the successful implementation of CRM at your premises. Now, since we have understood most of things about CRM, I will hand it over to Neha to take care of the next phase of the presentation.
Thank you, Manan. Now let me introduce Indusa and its dynamic CRM services, which is one of our key practice area. Indusa was founded in 1989, and since its inception, 80% of our client relationships have lasted for over 8 years. We work primarily in the technology consulting space and provide system integration and IT services. We are headquartered in Illinois, have development centers in Ahmedabad and Pune, and a sales office in London. Indusa is CMM Level 4 ISO 27001 Quality and Security Certified company. We have extensive experience in delivering apps to a wide variety of industries, including discrete and process manufacturing, professional services, public sector, education, healthcare, and retail. Our key practice areas include CRM, enterprise mobility, ERP, SharePoint, and custom application development. Indusa provides Microsoft Dynamics CRM implementation, integration, customization, upgrade, and support services. Our implementation methodology is an outcome of the devoted effort of Microsoft certified and domain experts who understand Microsoft Dynamics CRM in and out and offer the best business solutions. Our well-defined roadmap planning and hands-on development capabilities leads to faster implementation. Indusa believes that the best business relationships are based on trust. Due to their unshaken faith in us, our clients consider us as an extension to their team. This slide lists some of our key clientele where we have executed multiple projects over several years. In addition to IBM, Oracle, and Samsung, Indusa is a Microsoft partner with 5 gold and 6 silver competencies, as well as a cloud deployment partner. We are also designated as Emerging Service Partner for Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online by Microsoft in the US. We are now open for the question and answer session. If you have any questions, send us a message via chat and we'll address them now. If there are any questions you haven't got a chance to ask, you can email us at this email ID. We'll be happy to answer all of your questions. Okay, we have a question here from Mr. Singhal, and he's asking, can the CRM system easily integrate with other sources of customer data? Manan, can you answer to this?
Sure. I think we already discussed that the CRM comes with a great capability to integrate with any LOB system. CRM solution like Microsoft Dynamics CRM has an architecture that ensures a robust integration to vital customer information stored in financial, ERP, and other possible systems. Your CRM can also be integrated with your Microsoft Outlook, which is a great thing where all your contacts can be imported to CRM and vice versa. There is also a tool available from Microsoft which is free of cost, which can integrate your Outlook and CRM so that you don't need to have to go to CRM to log your conversation. It can directly track all the conversation within your CRM, what is happening over your Outlook.
Another question I see here is from Mr. Bhavsar, and his question is, will my remote or home-based workers be able to access the system?
Okay. I think the answer in short is yes. Most CRM systems include the option to cater for remote users. However, there are four main ways to do it. One is you can do it through remote web access. You can have a remote installation on your system, mobile CRM, and last but not least is the VPN that you can always have as an option. Many CRM systems will come with a remote working option. However, you will need to decide which way you would prefer your remote workers to be able to update the CRM system and see which CRM solution provides the best chosen method for your organization. Out of these, mobile CRM is becoming a business essential these days, and we have expertise in this, and we can show this in form of a demonstration as well if required.
The next question we have received is from Mr. Shah, and he has asked, I run a small business and I don't have that many customers. Why do I need special software to manage them?
I think CRM, preferably Microsoft CRM Online, can benefit a small business by consolidating customer data into a single system. CRM tools allow you to manage your customer interaction more efficiently, so you have more time to focus on your service or products. Also, with the Microsoft CRM Online, you can extend the user base in future as your organization grows.
Ms. Ankita has a question on the CRM implementation. Her question is, how long does it typically take to implement a CRM solution?
I think that purely depends on which software you choose and the size of your company, along with the business processes that you want to take it to your CRM. Out of all the CRM, the Dynamics CRM is the easiest one to install and use. All you need to ensure is the development cycle of the project fits in with your organization needs and the expectations.
The next question that I see here is from Mr. Sharma, and he's typing, what is the main difference between on-premise and cloud-based CRM solutions?
Okay, I think that's quite simple and straightforward. As the name suggests, on-premise CRM software is running on the computers within the premises of an organization. In this case, all the data and information is stored inside the premises of the company. As I said, it will be on the same data center where the company's all data has been hosted. However, in recent years, there has been a steady growth in the popularity of the web-based solutions. Cloud-based software implies that the software and all relevant data is accessible through internet and is displayed in a web browser. According to Gartner, 35% of all CRM implementation today use the SaaS model, growing to over 50% in next 10 years.
As we need to wrap up this session, we can answer to your questions personally via email. Thank you so much for participation in the question and answer round.
Thanks everybody, and
with this, we come to an end of our presentation. Do visit www.indusa.com for more details on our service offerings. We thank you very, very much for your time, and we look forward to having you on our other webinars as well. We would also like to hear your feedback on the webcast through our Twitter handle, Indusa IT Solve. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.
bye-bye, thank you.